Wondered what post-workout fatigue looks like with objective measures on a neuromuscular level. We have a college athlete who just had a hard leg workout yesterday, and we're going to check force output of his rectus fem and show you what this looks like. Go ahead and push as hard as you can. Go, kill it. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, so he tops out at 13.35, which is absolutely pathetic for a college athlete, but expected because he had a hard workout yesterday. So he has neuromuscular inhibition. That's what that is reflecting. Does that mean that he didn't walk in here? No. Does that mean that he couldn't get out of a chair? No. Does that mean that he couldn't get up on the table by himself? No. All it means is that his muscle is not functioning optimally, so he's got to compensate with other muscles in order to make up for the inhibited muscle. So now we just reversed the inhibition. Let's see what happens to his force output. Ready, go. Go. Come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go. And good. And he goes up to almost 33. So over double what he had a second ago. So after you work out, you should be doing active and dynamic cool down. You should be doing some recovery. But if you want the best recovery, get to the root cause of the inhibition, reverse that, and your recovery just went to 10 seconds.